Well, this definitely isn't looking very good. Alright, we're up north of Ignis. Last time I was here 10 or 12 years ago, this was a cow trail that was so growing in you could barely get the four-wheeler up here. Now, the freaking highway. Well, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna check out the old tower if we can get to it. This is one of the old Abitibi blocks that was sold to Wagner. The black flags seem to be pretty bad today. Still overcast, but we're gonna go up here and see if we can get there. This is supposedly privately owned land by Wagner Forest Products, the old Abitibi block. But if you have the multipass, that's movie trivia. Anyways, we can go up and use this land, day use. So we're gonna go up here and see if we can get to the fire tower. It looks pretty cut over, so I don't know if they're still cutting up here or what. Got some nice birch there, firewood. Can't remember how far it is up here. I got a mark, so when we hit the mark, we'll know. And whether you gotta walk through the bush or the road goes close to it or what, I don't know anymore. This is sure changed. We'll go find out. It was one of the best reserve fire towers that I've seen. But we'll see if it's still that way. Well, there's the sign. In private property, no trespassing. Authorized recreational permit holders only beyond this point. Well, the road's gotten a little narrower. Morning road washed out. We'll see what that's all about. Just a little washout, doesn't look too bad. Alright, so trying to find a road that comes close to the tower. And not having much luck. This was really the only road in the area, and the tower is back to the right further, so I don't know. We'll go up here for a little bit anyways. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it or not. This is where an e-bike would come in handy. Do these back roads no problem and not have to worry about hauling a four-wheeler up. No room for it. Don't want to pull a trailer. So we'll see where this goes. Well, this definitely isn't looking very good. Can't really drive down there. Okay, so that road's not working out. I'm gonna see if we can find another road. I know when I looked at Google that it showed it going pretty close to the tower, like within 400 meters, but I just don't see a road. Of course, that was a while back, so who knows. We'll go find one, maybe. All right, I found another little road. Let's hope this one is better. All right, looks like a little swampy there. If you look over here, can't really see it right there, but there was a orange tape in the bush, and according to this, we're just adjacent of the tower. So we'll give her a shot. All right, this is the orange tape I saw. It almost looks like a little trail going that way. According to the GPS, we're only about 200 meters from this thing, so definitely looks like a trail. Looks like a well-beaten, well-marked trail. First part was kind of hidden, and I think that's on purpose. You gotta find before you can go. Yeah, this is a well-cut, well-used trail, that's for sure. I can almost drive to this thing now. I can see steel through the bush. That's a good sign. Now whether the couple are still on there or not, we'll see. Hope it is. All right, just approaching the bottom here. Can't even see the top yet. Looks like someone's got a whole bunch of wood. Ladder's still there. And the couple is still there. Good. It only looks like an 80-foot tower, even though it's got the newer steel. Somebody's done some tree cutting around it. I don't know if there's any dates on any of these. Probably not. They're pretty beat. I know when I came up here before, I believe I ended up coming through there or through over here. Okay, let's go up and see what she looks like. I don't know where the cabin would have been around here. Probably pretty far away at a lake. I don't see anything around here that would suggest cabin. Can take a walk around later. It's only 80 feet, but it sure could kick my ass. Old fat guy. Yeah, I think the nearest lake is way over there. That would be too far away. So a cabin had to have been in the bush somewhere. Yeah, this one's got bench, little tiny bench, table. This is the one with the shop door with the hook. So when you pull it up, it falls into place perfectly. All the windows are numbered. The frames are still here. No glass though. Still got the roof hatch on. And the Alidade table. Pretty cool. Nice breeze up here. Kind of warm climbing today. So I'm assuming that's Whatcom Lake way the heck over there. I'm not sure what this first little lake is, but seems to be about the closest lake if there were a cabin, and that, I don't know, that seems too far for me to walk to go to a cabin. Got the antenna on there. I can't see what's on the roof myself. The old mast with the radio antenna wire hanging. So I'm assuming the shingles must still be on the roof. The roof is in really good condition. Got the numbers 3 for this wall. Each panel was hauled up separately, put into place. That's how they did it all the way up. A rope and a pulley and a bunch of planks on the steel. Very cool. I had remembered that somebody had left a quarter with a date on it, and I left a quarter with a date on it, and it seems that somebody was broke and needed the 50 cents, so all gone. I don't see any fires from the fire tower. No fires today. All right, time to head down. Just a quick little tour. I'm glad she's still standing. I'm glad it's still in pretty good shape. This is normally why I don't give out locations, but like people come up here with their freaking Tim Hortons and throw a cup on the ground. Pick it up, track it out. It's not that hard. All right, that was kind of interesting. I wondered why there was a bird flying around with a big, huge nest on top. It didn't look like an eagle, it was maybe an osprey or something like that. But it looked like there was something in the nest on the camera, so I didn't stick up there too long. but that's kind of interesting. Very cool. That's probably why this trail is so well defined. They probably come and check on it, take some pictures of it. I'm gonna have a quick look around, see where there might have been a cabin. It would be very close if it was. Well, there is kind of a clearing here where there could have been a cabin. Some tape over there. Tower is just through there. Almost looks like it could have been a trail over there at one time. Let's go see what the tape is all about. Most of these, actually almost all the cabins were torn down way back when, or burned down. It's just tape on the guy wire. Still 4 guy wires on this tower. It's only an 80-footer with upgraded steel, so it's pretty sturdy. There's the tower. It's a cross between mosquitoes, black flies, and deer flies out today. Very cool. Shorter than I remember it. Oh, it looks like I got a piece of something here. Interesting. I wonder what that would have been. Maybe that was the cone of the roof, I don't know. Just double check, just to make sure. I don't see anything legible anyways. That one's totally crumbled. That one's buried on the front. Crumbly. And crumbly. So nothing, no dates. All right, made it to the Whatcom fire tower. She looks pretty good. Much easier to get to now. And it's occupied. All right, I'll get out of here and leave the birdie alone. Hard to get lost on this trail. You know, it's funny, as soon as I say that, I'm looking at the camera and I wander off the trail. And there's lots of little spots that look like trails, but they're not. I have to come back across, find the trail again. That was kind of funny. Guess I should keep my mouth shut. Whew, sweating. All right, so we're heading out of here, and we're gonna go find something else to do. So, hope you enjoyed the little video. I'm glad we got to the tower, found it. Been a long time since I've been up here.